How to claim for overbooked flights on AirHelp. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can claim for overbooked flights on AirHelp, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to head over to your web browser, and then type out airhelp.com. And then once you've done that, you'll be brought to this home page automatically, as you can see on my screen. So once you're on this page, the next step would be for you to move to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon, and then click on the option login. You have to log in into your account in order for you to claim for overbooked flights. So you just wait for the process to load, and then once that's loaded, you can see the different options for you to log in. You can log in by entering in your email and your password, or you can just scroll down and log in using your Google account. So by clicking on Google account, you take it to the next page. Click on the Google account that you intend to use, and you'd have to wait for it to load. Click on continue, and then you'll be taken to your account page. Once you're on your account page, you'll see the different options that are there. By the left side, you'll see options such as home, trips, claims, lounges. Then you see add claim, protect and feature trip, check FAQs, chat with us. So in order for you to claim for overbooked flights, all you need to do is to scroll down and click on the option add claim. Alright, now once you click on the add claim option, you will be taken to the next page. On this page, move to the left side of the screen where you see the procedures that has to be carried out in order for you to claim for overbooked flight. And then you can see eligibility check, additional information, documents, and then you would finish the process. So the first step would be for you to check if you're actually eligible, if your airline owes you a compensation. So in order for you to check that, scroll down, enter in your departure airport, enter in your destination airport, then scroll down and select any of these options. If you do not have a connecting flight, select the first option, but if you have a connecting flight, select the second option. Scroll down to the move to the bottom right corner and click on the continue button, and then you'll be taken to the next stage, which is the additional information page, where you are to provide additional information about your trip, such as your travel details, when are you to leave, when are you to return. Ask all of those all of those questions will be asked, ensuring you put them in, and then you'll be asked to provide supporting documents such as your boarding pass, your travel itinerary in the third process. All right, you will asked to provide all of this. Ensure you provide that, and then you'll be taken to the next page where you would now see if you're eligible or not. And then if you're eligible, you'll be asked to fill in the necessary details and submit your claim. So submit your claim, and if the claim is successful, AirHelp will help you collect the compensation from the airline. So it is that simple. So this is how you can you can claim for overbooked flights on AirHelp. It is that simple. Alright, so just find your way to your account and you're good to go. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.